This DAddario Royal Alto Sax Reeds 25-pack offers a reliable, medium-strength option that many students and advancing players find easy to control across the full range of the horn. The reeds use a traditional filed cut and a slightly thinner profile that help notes speak quickly, especially in the low register, where cheaper reeds often feel sluggish. Tone is generally clear and focused with enough warmth for classical playing, but also enough projection and edge to sit well in a jazz or pop section. Because they are made from carefully selected cane and cut with modern machinery, the reeds tend to be consistent from piece to piece, reducing the number of duds in a box. The Strength 2.0 in this set suits developing embouchures very well, offering comfortable resistance without feeling stiff or tiring during long rehearsals. Buying a 25-pack is convenient for band programs or busy players, since it keeps you stocked with dependable reeds for practice, lessons, and performances.